welcome back. If you're joining us on this video, you probably saw my last video, which was basically a tutorial for doing triplets. I'll show you an example. Today we're going to be covering quadruplets. I know you're saying, man, the triplets are so difficult. I don't know how I'm going to do. Quadruplets are basically adding, you guessed it, one more stroke, right? If you're fairly comfortable doing the triplet strum, then you'll have no problem doing the quadruplet strum. I'll just play a little bit so you know what it sounds like first, just so that you can hear what it sounds like in practice. Quadruplet. I'll play a little bit of a song that I wrote so you can hear it. So those are quadruplets in practice. So basically what you want to do is, if you do that triplet motion, all you're doing is basically adding that downward stroke right after that. So here we go. See that? That's a triplet. You're just adding that downward motion. It's really hard to do slow. It's actually easier to do it faster, if you can believe that. You're doing a downward motion with your index finger, and if you saw the triplet video, which I will link here, be sure to check that one out before you check out this video. So what you want to do is basically, I'll just recap that. Downward motion on the index finger, right here on these last 4 to 5 frets, okay? Downward motion on the index finger in an L shape or pistol shape, right? Immediately followed by a downward motion with the thumb. So it's gonna sound like this. It's just the 2 strokes, and then up with the index finger, and then for the quadruplet we want to go back down with the index finger. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to start like any other strum. You want to start really slow, and then kind of work your way up to doing it faster. But like I mentioned before, this is one of those strums that's actually a lot easier to do faster. But I wouldn't jump ahead to that. Let your muscles build up to that point until you can get to that faster motion. That's it. All right, thank you so much for joining me again. Like all of my other videos, please be sure to subscribe down below, and please do a thumbs up if you got any value out of this lesson at all. This is going to be part of an ongoing series that I'm starting, covering just basic strums that you can learn in the comfort of your own home. Okay, aloha, and I'll see you guys on the next one.